In this vlog today, here I am getting ready to step out of my house to go on a date with someone very special. तो उसी की तैयारी चल रही है. Just doing up my hair. Thanks to Urban Company for always being there. I was quite confused what to wear, then I decided to go with something floral. Leaving in such hurry, I can't do. I'm already late for the date. I think every girl would relate with me on this, that girls can never be on time, especially when we are on a date. We have to be late. Keep guessing किसके साथ मैं date पे जा रही हूँ. Till then, see you. Just like Urban Company, Drive You is my savior. I hate driving. It is so sunny today, but it's okay. दादा बैंड्रा लेना. मुंबई की ट्रैफिक और मुंबई की बारिश दोनों का कोई भरोसा नहीं, कभी भी किसी भी वक्त आ जाती है और आपका टाइम ख़राब कर देती है. और फ़िलहाल तो मुझे अभी तक ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला है लकीली, बट ऐसा लग रहा है आगे ट्रैफिक है. दादा अभी कितना मिनट दिखा रहा है पहुंचने के लिए? 41 minutes. Oh, not bad. I think I'll reach there by 2 o'clock. So I'm going to BKC या बैंड्रा. वहाँ पे एक प्लेस है बगलामी. तो the date is over there and I am on my way. Let's find out कैसी जगह है. जितने मैंने पिक्चर्स में देखा है, it's beautiful. It looked quite nice actually. More like sort of a party place. But today I'm on a lunch date with dash. वो तो आपको वीडियो एंड तक देखना पड़ेगा to know. Guys, you know what? Vlogging is just not my thing. But I think that's the thing that is working these days. And I am finally jumping into vlogging, which I thought was never my thing. Oh, yaar. Signal and traffic, as I said. Anyways, enjoy the time. पहुंच जाएंगे हम टाइम पे. Not a problem. अकेले व्लॉगिंग करना बहुत बोरिंग है. यू नीड टू हैव अ पार्टनर वेयर यू कैन हैव फन, यू कैन टॉक टू. मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं डेट पे अपनी किसी फ्रेंड को साथ लेके जाऊंगी. व्हाट से कहीं वो सामने वाला पर्सन भाग ना जाए, है ना? नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. द रोड्स लुक क्लियर नाउ. हाईवे पे है, सब कुछ साफ है. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन नेक्स्ट 30 minutes वी विल बी एट बगलामी. मुझे एक स्टिक खरीद लेनी चाहिए. हाथ दर्द हो जाता है यार इसे पकड़े. हाउ डू पीपल डू इट यार? व्लॉगर्स कैसे करते हो भाई? और ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्रैफिक हाईवे पे. ओह वाओ, दे आर सेलिंग बुकेज. डू यू गाइस थिंक दैट आई शुड बाय वन? कितने का है भैया?
350 का है मैडम.
350 का? ओके ठीक है. नहीं चाहिए. 39.
यहाँ से बस क्लियर हो जाएगा, आगे क्लियर नहीं होगा.
स्टक इन ट्रैफिक अगेन. तो क्या कर सकते हैं जब हम ट्रैफिक में अटके हैं? तो टिल दैट टाइम what I think I can do is research about this place called Baglami where I am heading to. Let me find out more. क्या cuisine मिलता है, कैसी जगह है ना? Let me do that. More than place, you know what? The company matters. I think अभी 15 मिनट और है हमें पहुँचने. Continue on National Highway 48 for
for 800 meters.
ले लो ना left. So I'm just about to reach in like 5 minutes. Not bad यार, मतलब 2:15 पे मैं पहुंच गई. Time given to me was 2 o'clock. I was hoping कि 30 minutes late होगा, but 15 minutes late is not bad at all. वैसे मैं हमेशा टाइम पे होती हूँ. It's just that on dates you should never be on time. But not that I've done it all in purpose. Purposely नहीं किया है मैंने ये, purposely नहीं किया है. It was absolutely.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Street 7.
Because जो person आ रहा है मैं उसको wait नहीं कराना चाहती, very frankly. And luckily that person is not even waiting. अभी मेरी उससे बात हुई है. And that person is exactly reaching there at the same time where I am. And very very soon I'm gonna make you meet that person. BKC has got lots of good places, eateries where you can hang out with your friends, your family. So this is the area. I think this area is quite familiar. I've been here once or twice.
Turn left onto lane 1, then turn left.
काफी कुछ है उस साइड. तो यहाँ से अभी हमें ज़्यादा लेफ्ट लेना है शायद. Oh, there it is.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Wow, the aunties are dressed so well. There it is, that place, if you can see. Sort of far. So this is the area. This is Hotel Trident, I guess. Yeah, Trident, I guess. This is BKC Trident. There's another Trident at the Marine Lines. INS Towers. Some corporate places. पिछले 2 मिनट से हम यहाँ घूम रहे हैं, हमें एंट्री गेट नहीं मिल रही. बट आई गेस आई विल जस्ट गेट डाउन एट द फ्रंट रोड एंड देन वॉक माई वे थ्रू द रोडवे एंड गो टू Paglami finally. Dada decided to take a complete U-turn and get back to that road again. So finally getting down. Person is already waiting. मुझे अभी भी एंट्रेंस नहीं लगा है. Let me check. So this is the place. So there she is. Yes, everyone, it's a she, and you would be surprised to know that she is my cousin sister. Hello, Shreyashi. How are you? Good. How are you? And we are twinning. We are twinning, guys. We're twinning, and this is not even planned. Not planned at all. But this place is beautiful. It's just what vibe, what ambience. I am already in love with this place. Meet my sister Shreyashi, and she's the one whom I am on a date with today.
This is such a coincidence, but I'm glad we are twinning.
Yeah, no, actually, look at me, my top and her dress. What are the chances that we are sisters?
We think very similar.
है ना?
I've got you a little something.
Oh, you got me little something.
This is a date.
How sweet. Thank you. Open this and see what my little sister has got me.
You can tear it open.
Oh no, okay, it's nice. बहुत patience चाहिए ना. But when you get gifts, you actually don't have patience anymore. Oh wow! look at this. This is so pretty. And
Something that I'm actually wearing.
and she's wearing the similar bracelet. From here, right?
Yes.
It's very Oh wow, this got a little Rakhi also. Isn't it nice, guys? So pretty.
I'm so glad you liked it.
I loved it, and I'm gonna
remove this. That's what I was wearing adhesive.
see. And we're twinning. Let's do it
Yes.
together. After a little chit chat, it was time to look into this extensive menu. So we'll go reverse, is it?
That's the way I like it.
Okay. One. Yeah, we both are Asian lovers or what?
I know.
You know?
Very similar choices.
Yeah.
You want to try yuzu and crab?
Crab?
Or then there's prawns tempura.
No, see, that has also got that has got salmon. So let's skip salmon because it's totally uncooked. But I just hope they'll cook a little, no?
Otherwise, you want to put some veg also.
No. No veg. I'll go with this raw mango wine. Looks nice to me. Yep. But this place is really nice. It's like a cave. Beautiful place. I loved it. And have you been to Amazon? Yeah.
Yes, it's one of my favorites. It's so lovely. And you know what?
What?
I'm not sure if you know it.
No, I
It's
don't
actually
know.
designed by one of our relatives.
What?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Oh, actually, हमें मिलना चाहिए. We come to know a lot about our family also. This is how we?
Catch up.
Yeah, actually.
Raw wine. Raw mango wine. And in Japan. So that's for the cocktails. And for sushis, we'll do.
This one, no? The
That's going to be cooked crabs.
yeah. Thank God.
And
And
You can try the yaki udon noodles. It's really quite interesting and very nice.
yeah. All right then.
we'll order the rest later.
So let me just repeat the order. One in Japan, one raw mango wine, one yuzu and crab, and one pork joint wrapped spinach. Any allergies you have?
No. Literally, this menu is like I'm spoiled for choices, yaar.
Yes, and we
It's so
can
difficult
actually order
to
whatever we want. It's just
Yeah.
that we have to be mindful about the portions.
portions, huh? Right. We don't have to waste anything.
No food wastage.
Yeah. Within literally minutes, the food was here. I was actually very hungry since morning. I had not eaten. I did not get time to eat anything. I was busy getting ready for this day. And we have pizzas, we have dim sum, we have sushis. It's all Asian because me and my cousin, we both love Asian food.
Yes. So the food is finally here.
This is like so much food. We're going to finish all of it. But Shishi, I trust you. You will finish it. Our cheat day has been taken very seriously, guys.
Yuzu and crab, yeah. And that is the prawns tempura.
Very nice. Sorry, which dessert?
The tiramisu with a chocolate brittle. So I'll be preparing on your table.
Okay.
So it's a lady finger soaked with coffee liqueur that contain alcohol, but it's not that much percent. And with a cocoa powder and a cream mascarpone cream cheese on top of it.
Oh my god. Sounds like
You
a
really
thing.
like it. You can go with that.
Okay, sure then. Get us that. Thank you. There's one more thing that I would like to mention about this place, beautiful place, Baglami, is that their staff was so cooperative, especially Irene. She helped us select the menu, the right dishes according to our taste. She helped us click pictures, take videos, and then also she helped us prepare this beautiful dessert here. And this is the cream,
The topping one.
the tokinya.
No, the topping.
Topping.
After
Topping.
this, I'll put the liquid, and after that, this, and the chocolate and the cocoa
Oh,
powder.
nice, nice. And this is the liquor,
Yes.
coffee liquor.
Yes.
And so this is a tiramisu. So different and looks so yummy. Although everything is in the box, but I'm so curious of how it will all come across. Wow. So first you pour the liquor. Oh. Dip it. Oh, this is actually absorbing everything.
Yeah.
The topping. This is yummy. Oh, this is so good. हमारा डेजर्ट हमारी आंखों के सामने बन रहा है. Now my face is like those kids जो बर्थडे के दिन जैसे किसी और का बर्थडे रहता है और केक कटने वाला होता है, the way they look onto the cake, it's like I'm looking right now exactly like that. But this looks so nice. Thank you so much, so much hard work for this one. And anything else? This, right? I'll do that. I just ruined it. Oh. But do you have to cover this like entirely? Yes. Oh, entirely. Oh, then I did a great job. Yeah. Now, what's the wait for? What are you waiting for? Let's just
Dig in.
dig in. Very nice. It is so pretty.
Ow.
The dessert was yum. The tiramisu was just out of this world. We loved it. But we were sad because this place was getting shut at 4:30 and we had to leave. And it opens at 7 o'clock. We forgot our drinks.
Let me do my happy little dance.
You are definitely in some food coma.
Totally. Don't even ask me. We loved it so much. We came back for the drinks.
Want to leave, right? Do you want to leave now?
Not at all. But we are the last guests. Now we have to leave.
So it's time to say bye, Big Lavi. Bye. We had a fun time. And as you know, Mumbai rains and Mumbai traffics are so unpredictable, and currently it's raining. I mean, the weather has taken a 360 U-turn. But it's good for us. It's like raining outside and there'll be a lot of traffic, so we will be having more time to chit chat, catch up on our lives and what our future plans for this year are, and also when next are we gonna meet. That's super soon though. I am sure of that. After almost 2 hours of non-stop chit-chatting, श्रेयशी का घर आने ही वाला है, आया नहीं है but आने वाला है. So it's time to say goodbye to her.
Bye guys.
But it was a lovely day. Thank you so much, Shreshi, for coming in the video. First of all, not everybody is up for it, but since she is
I
an
loved being part of it.
ex-influencer,
Retired
influencer. Retired is a better word actually. Retired influencer. So she had no issues, and we really had a good time.
Lovely.
And lovely food, lovely place. Everything was organized by her. Everything.
Thank you so much.
So today's lunch date credit goes to Shreshi.
I'm so
and
glad you enjoyed it.
I
and,
loved it. I loved it.
And the ride back home was even better.
Yeah. 2 hours of non-stop chatting along with yawning.
I'm sure घर जाके हम दोनों सोने वाले हैं.
And thank you for this. Yeah, this is lovely.
Oh, we have our matching bracelets.
Yes. Here it is. We were actually twinning in every sense
मेरा
now.
gift
pending है Shreshi पे. तो next lunch date या dinner date जो भी हम करने वाले हैं, तो I'll make sure I get something really special for her.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yes.
So
Okay. On this note,
Yes. On this note, we will say
we say bye bye. Ta-ta. See ya in the next vlog. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see in my next vlog. Yes.
bye.
See you.